Raleigh, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hamburg,
that time is way off.
miles east of Schuylkill Haven, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Well, that plays.
Damage to roof.
WF39 is dead. I'll be able to get it.
Makersville, Lyons, Leonardsville, Ness, Coffeetown, New Tripoli, Burlensville, and Ancient Oaks. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 51 and 71. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 71. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton.